In 1945, a farmer in Colorado was in his yard when a chicken named Mike was chosen for dinner. The farmer aimed his axe, but the chop missed the jugular vein and left almost the entire brainstem intact. The chicken got up and started walking around. It tried to peck for food and preen its feathers as if nothing had happened. The farmer, stunned, decided to care for it. Miracle Mike, the headless chicken, lived for 18 months, being fed with an eyedropper and becoming a national celebrity. Follow the bizarre truth for more.